Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB leader. This video captures raw street-level mobilization and diverse public opinion surrounding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. From passionate supporters to curious onlookers, voices from across the city weigh in on the justice campaign, the political implications, and the urgency of his release. Watch as everyday Nigerians speak truth to power and rally behind the #Free Nnamdi Kanu Now movement.
Today, we were served all of a sudden, as a matter of surprise, an ambush with the medical report, which the court ordered the Nigerian Medical Association to submit since 26th September. So that medical report that we were served is dated 10th October. And it was today that we were served in open court with it. So, well, you can say that the defense had no ample opportunity to react to it. It was more of an ambush. But nonetheless, the court had ordered further that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu be examined by the Nigerian Medical Association. That examination was never carried out, and the order was entered on 26th September and restated on 8th October. That part of the order wasn't disobeyed. They never examined him. So the report is based on some informal meeting they held with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as far back as 18th September at the DSS headquarters in Abuja. They were invited to do that by the DSS. The court and the DSS are not the same. So what we have in court, or what we were served in court today, quite frankly, we cannot be sure where it emanated from. Did it emanate from assumption, or did it emanate from the examination carried out on 18th September before the court entered an order?
My name is Hugo Chinyere. I'm standing here to challenge every woman, wherever you are, every woman, we want to see you on that 20th of October.
Yes.
Remember the word of our leader, which said that when women come out, that something must happen.
Yes.
So I need every woman, wherever you are, despite all your religion, come out to free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It shall be well with us in the mighty name of Chukwu Ika Abiyama.
If Nnamdi Kanu is a Yoruba man, he will not be there. After all, Sunday Igboho was doing the same thing. When he was arrested, the Yoruba elders went. What is our Hanese doing?
God is doing in the life of his people. Firstly, I am sending this message to some Igbo people. If you are an Igbo man, an Igbo woman, and you are against the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, it will be better for you. If you are an Igbo person, and you are against the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, it will be better for your generation.
Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. We criticized Igbo elites who only speak on television or social media. He urged them to march to Aso Rock, Nigeria's seat of power, and Evangelist Ebuka Obi demand Kanu's release in person. If the government can negotiate with terrorists, why not with Nnamdi Kanu? He referenced past amnesty and dialogue efforts with Boko Haram and bandits, contrasting it with the continued detention of Kanu despite multiple court rulings in his favor. Prophet Elijah Bamadil shares a powerful message addressing the controversial stance of certain Igbo individuals who oppose the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In this video, he calls for unity, justice, and deeper reflection on the spiritual and political implications of the case. Watch as he challenges narratives and urges the community to stand for truth. #Free Nnamdi Kanu Now.